This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Morrisville Police Department is searching for Brandis Tyrone Smith, Jr. Brandis is a 4-year-old black male, approximately 3 feet 6 inches, and weighs 40 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a black shirt with Daddy's Boy written on it and black shorts. The abductor, Denisha Williams, is a black female, 29 years of age, 5 feet 6 inches, with black hair and brown eyes. They were last seen traveling in a blue 2017 Nissan Maxima bearing North Carolina registration LCN 3940. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Morrisville Police Department 919-469-4012 or call 911.